From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Now, I don't know about you all, but I've been able to get away without wearing a jacket to class and work the past couple of days. I don't think that'll be the case heading into the weekend. I'm Kaitlyn Potucek here with your Friday evening CNET forecast, and I'll have some more details on that cooling trend that we're expecting over the weekend in just a bit. But currently, we're sitting at 52 degrees, a very pleasant and comfortable autumn day here in central Pennsylvania, and that is the case across much of the central region. A little bit warmer in the west. If we take a broader look at the Commonwealth, we'll notice there is a little bit of a warmer air mass in the western portions of the Commonwealth, but areas in the east and southeast especially have cooled off quite a bit. We had a cold front pass through earlier this morning that might have brought some rain showers and some clouds to your area, but some regions, especially in Pennsylvania, are looking at temperature drops up to 20 degrees as of 24 hours ago yesterday. So it's 20 degrees cooler now than it was 24 hours ago at this time yesterday, and we're not even the coolest, at least in the southeastern portions of the Commonwealth. Some places in Virginia could be seeing temperature differences up to 30 degrees lower than they were at this time yesterday. A look at our radar and satellite shows that cold front, is moving out of our way. You can see it pretty well defined on this line of clouds as it pushes out of our region, bringing some clearer conditions behind it. Some lake effect pop-up showers may occur in the northern tier of Pennsylvania, and some clouds as well, but generally we are seeing some more comfortable conditions than we were this morning. You can see that entire low pressure system pretty well. You can see it is spinning primarily up above Quebec, but you can trace the cold front all the way down the east coast, and you can even see that warm front as well heading up through Maine and Canada. And that system should push out to the Atlantic into the evening and overnight tonight, letting a high pressure mass settle in behind it. A look at our future weather shows there's not a whole lot in terms of precipitation per se. You might see a couple of pop-up showers across the northwestern and northern tiers of Pennsylvania heading into the overnight hours tonight or evening hours. So you might want to bring a jacket with you if you're heading out to dinner anywhere. But the main story for the weekend is going to be partly cloudy skies across much of the region. Here's just after kickoff. Tomorrow we are playing Michigan. I'll have the football forecast for you as well. But generally across the Commonwealth, we're seeing partly cloudy skies, at least through the day tomorrow. It'll clear out tomorrow night. Sunday, we are going to see mostly cloudy skies across much of the Commonwealth, but those clouds should move out of the way in the afternoon and evening, making for a clear and calm end to our weekend. A look at our conditions for this evening. We're going to drop down to 35 degrees, partly cloudy skies with some westerly winds that'll be cooling us off quite a bit. And heading into tomorrow, you'll notice that we're only going to reach 51 degrees. That's a bit cooler than we have been for daytime highs throughout this week. And our football forecast shows we're going to have a chilly start with our tailgates, only about 42 degrees. Should warm up just a bit by kickoff and continue to warm up throughout the game for us to beat Michigan, hopefully somewhere around the 50-degree mark tomorrow evening. And a look at our 7-day shows us that we are going to cool off throughout the weekend, see generally partly cloudy or clear conditions heading into the beginning of the work week. We'll warm up as the work week continues, and we are expecting rain showers to return with some warmer conditions by next Friday. We'll have more details for you next week in our forecast. I'm Kaitlyn Potucek for CNET and the Campus Weather Service. Have a great day.